Hi students, welcome to my video tutorial series of design and analysis of algorithm. Today I am discussing about another graph problem to finding the minimum shortest path, and the name of the algorithm is spanning tree. So there are different type of spanning tree. Before going to discussing about the spanning tree, I want to discuss what is it. So a spanning tree, a subgraph T of a undirected graph G VE, where V is number of vertices and A is the set of edges of the spanning tree of graph G. And if there is a tree and content every vertex of G. So every in this graph every vertex should be connected, and that is connected tree, and there and keep in mind there will not be any circuit, that is cyclic formation will not be there. So may have multiple spanning tree of a graph. So suppose a graph given, so you can find out different spanning tree. So for that example, here is a graph given, and if you want to find the spanning tree, that is each nodes are connected and there is no cycle, that is there are three spanning trees given here. Now there may be more than three. In my next slide I will discuss about that. Okay, so keep in mind in spanning tree number of edges should be number of nodes minus 1. So here in each cases number of edges is 4 and number of nodes is 5. So here is another example. So first contain 4 nodes, so number of edges should be 3. So there are 4 spanning tree for that particular graph. In the second example also there are 4 edge, and then in the spanning tree there is number of edges is 3, and it is we can create in 8 way. And in the next example also 4 nodes are there, so in spanning tree number of edges will be 3, and there are so many type of spanning tree you can create. Okay, now here is a weighted graph and I want to find the spanning tree for that. So we from that example we can create 3 spanning tree as it is. Okay, now each having, whenever we are assigning the weightage, each having some total weightage for it. So first minimum tree, first spanning tree it is 74, second spanning tree it is 71, third spanning tree it is 72. Now whenever that is you are adding the edges, that is total weightage. Now among this spanning tree there is one minimum. Okay, one minimum, and that is called minimum spanning tree. So that is very important to finding the shortest distance between a source node and distance node. Okay, so there are different algorithm to finding the that is the arbitrary algorithm I am using, that is you can say blind algorithm. There is no concept I am using. There are as many number of possible spanning tree I am drawing, and I am getting the total weightage, and I am finding the minimum. So there is the blind type of technique, but there are so many type of algorithm that we can use to finding the minimum spanning tree. One is Kruskal, another is Prim's algorithm. So that is very important for you. So I will discuss things in the my next video. I think up to this there is no such problem. If you have any query you can ask me, you can call me. Okay, thank you very much.